jende de kuana no mondo litekero otegeto gochumbo go egere nera kore no yoro saita. But now the problem neringa Mheshimiwa Said, let me speak it like that. Mheshimiwa Said yaba nyari bari ba mwete chikura chiningi itarako kwa evidence na korega.
Yes.
Number one, ego chakira mangana yechi. Ekeraswa, the former member of parliament, Tony, Konorobe Kire para Yeram, Ruria Riga, Ijinyuta, and the Kagati, and the Yabsabo, Eruria Riga, again the Turbo, again the Chirichiro, again the Virongo. Lakini Keraswa, the worst part of it, Agatige Pare, you, Egasirayo. Yani timetinga nkia bete usiga cheta kajiru antimate kinda tebe. On that note, ntorgo blame Sahil without comparing with the other members of parliament. Tigaturige kituto chache note is a one-term MP as Sahil. Both of them actually the same party. UDA. Na UDA is the government. As we speak, kituto chache north without biasness omo heshimiwa kurukuchava nyakundi orosiriji para nyechera. What is the main problem na Saidi you are serving the same government and Saidi himself he proudly say nga is very close to the president and the other members of parliament ngikere problem were e para nyali ba chache etari gucha onye tare ko gendererie ritongi atigete tare gucha ke yai tige bintebi ya jetega iga omaete ba abare kobeterie president yaronchi e para ne baronche tikuru koru keumbu egwetari ondonge gende nyaturuba gende ibenu ekero kurigerie none gento kerikeri ikire sina kitora kero ke gusi ose eba eri ikire origereri eba eri igere e pare eria yo Mheshimiwa Tonge abegete onyorenge buya omweshimo mongaini egente kena kigeria Andrew Mintori gereri gento kerkiaronche tigwaria e president yaros tikembu ege bao kena bokerikira marietari yo Mheshimiwa Tonge e pare are ko mongaini gare ko yegende bono ta gocha gutungaina bon where was he for the last 3 good years, 3 financial years? This is the 4th financial year to go June. June is only 2 months too. May and June. Oma kungaina banyari bari ngabano kwaretire pare ram how? Where have you been here karaba chumbe bande? Okay ndo soruma ate e para na manyete ya gochake ya heretekar. Ya rengenya chenge gutira ya heret e pare nde ko eta sobo so nyakorera ndo watabi erenga ikonyare for the last 3 good years. Onye ga goteba ne government yare ekira kitoko mu para chio morom ekero devolution ya jete ya tebete buyanga ekere ga siego korwa abana inji bapene biti chi contract sairi yakobeka para chio morom chikuru kunga chiakera ne chia ichoka na bwato mu muroyo mo ogurunga one man show ogoteba ngogokora na ni chibesere ngakoreta monyari bari gocha kwa para is a problem eyo moro e para na bono ngwetera gochiwone kurwa mali bagende matunwa egende nyambunda is the worst load ever na my brother there egende na ragote bonganjire for a minute
okay
ekero kuru infrastructure egine gitomo bekera zero he has done nothing igota asa goto te weekend we expected each para cheram na chabe ti akori number 2 CDF government for education as we speak in Inkaranse ta ase story agatem saidi ta ko ndakoro ki ese structure ja kete kurumuse goroba I can give you example no mochumbo korokwa chwasi nyamoko financial year 2024-2025 omoshimo nyamoka ga eviras 12 stole a building biere teto kana koronchi I was there omoshimo manduku oyo nyari bari masaba orosi lichukuru 10 chigoroba egorobe ya chete koronchi ga so ma chache ga kya mabundu ntongyo nye chagete ere ga chete kokoro ere nga yiko chaka kurunse goroba ya go to tebinga ye na rojo ole nyanjo genta achete kokoro ata gete kokoro ana detera era ne ye tongya chagete are you seeing that in terms of education infrastructure education we have not seen gento sairi arenga a prop ya ne ne rio airu for the last 3 years airu 0.5 billion and which means 500 million and above for the last 3 years. Aya, go on the same note, and the work acknowledging when he started in 2023, financial year 2022-2023, akaruchi pasa ribu sana to a tune of 49 million. Agasuka, the other financial year, got 72. This financial year, I don't know what happened because it was 72 million, something like that. Why are they reduced from 10 to 8? Now the other 2 years, this time why? Agajaji school cheto cha this county schools. Chiditu alikuwa karambege so. Yani keusi. Akarua na bana bande mbakora mama, I don't know what happened this time. Igo we are seeing egasi ya musinyiri. Ekende naragoteba finally security. 1 minute. Security era under oyo mochumbe. Ere nonye no visio mochumbe ko wagaja. Ogende kitutu masaba ole cho visio mochumbe ko rugesa ira agachiri. Na bugwanja ko mochumbe dara why here. Oyo tindochi.